All right, a video doc of Aaron, me, reviewing Street Buzz website development. So this was sent to us by the developer, and I don't know if I can make it. Let me see if I can I zoom a little bit? Can't zoom that way. But anyway, this is it. Street Buzz, welcome to Street Buzz. This is how I do stuff, and I want you guys to see it in real time. So I'm gonna review all this stuff. First thing I'm gonna do is pick a path, because before it's done, I get to approve it. Part of the approval process. Steve ultimately is the approval. But anyway, so what I do is I go up and I highlight all the stuff. Then I copy it. Then I paste it over here on my laptop. Then here's the magic. Once I do that, then I start to read.
Artist identity, stage name, handle, city, primary genre, short bio, up to 280 chars. Music and socials, a featured track URL is required. Add as many of Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, SoundCloud, Instagram, TikTok as you have. Goals: tell us what you want to use the platform for. Distribute, chart, grow, book, collaborate, monetize, and where you heard about us. Review and submit one last sanity check. Agree to the terms, and you're in. The pending state. After you submit, you will land on the pending page. This is your home until a decision lands. Expand the timeline shows where your application is. Submitted rightward arrow ANR review, pulsing, rightward arrow decision, rightward arrow full access. Your submission summary is shown so you can double check nothing's off. Need to add a link or fix a typo. Click edit to reopen the application. Preview cabinet, demo, lets you explore the interface while you wait. Questions about your application? Contact support, we reply within 24 hours. After you're approved, you'll get an email. Next time you sign in, the cabinet is unlocked at your approved tier. Most artists start on verified artist. You can upgrade to pro member anytime from the billing page. Next up, membership and tiers. Free, verified artist, pro member, what you unlock.
So I like that. That's exactly what we want to do to get them started into Street Buzz. So now I go to the next step, which if I go back to the main page, next step is membership tier. So I'm going to go back to make sure I'm on the right step. So down at the bottom, membership tier. So we want it going in that order. So it's because the mind goes, left to right. So left, right, left, right, left, right. Exactly what we want. So now let me check what the membership tier is like. So I just do the same process. I'm quite sure there's an easier way of doing this, but this is how my brain works. So until Alex, who is my AI technician specialist, matter of fact, I just thought of something I'm going to do with Alex. I got an idea that might make this even better. So now I got to go over here, and since I'm working on the second part of it, I paste it in here, go back up to the top, and then I read it. I forgot to put my X's to show the different space. Normally I put some X's in there. Okay. Let's find my spot. Yeah, I didn't put a separator. Normally I put a separator in there, but we will do that right now. So go down here, down 1, 2, 3, image 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. Next step, boom, right here. So X, there's my space. Now we're here, membership tier. So we go here, and we read it.
Membership and tiers. Street Buzz has 3 tiers. You're approved onto one during ANR review, and you can upgrade at any time. Locked features shall be locked in the sidebar. Clicking one takes you straight to billing with the right plan highlighted. The 3 tiers. Free. Anyone approved who wants a community profile. $0 forever. What you unlock. Overview dashboard. Profile settings. Billing and settings. Community access, read only. Verified artist. Working artists ready to distribute, build a DSC, and collaborate. $29/month. What you unlock. Digital smart card with full customization. Music and distribution by Sony/Orchard, 150 plus DSPs. Avatar Studio, AI stylized personal avatar. Meet Buzz, mascot content plus merch store. Network, messaging, leaderboards, shoutouts. Booking form plus QR on your DSC. Pro member. Artists running real campaigns, charting, ads, tour plans. $99/month. What you unlock. Everything in verified. Analytics, real-time streams, top tracks, top cities. Promotion, campaigns, scheduler, launch kits, spotlight queue. Buzz map, event submissions and map feature slots. Priority A&R review. Avatar merch and campaign feature rights. How gating actually looks. When you're below a required tier, that item in the sidebar shows with a small lock and a tier badge. Clicking it routes you to billing with the recommended plan highlighted so you never hit a dead end. Expand on free. Most of your toolkit shows a lock icon and a verify or pro tag. Expand clicking a locked item lands here with the recommended plan highlighted and a feature locked banner. Changing your plan. Go to billing in the sidebar, bottom left. You can upgrade to a higher tier. New features unlock immediately. Downgrade takes effect at the end of your current billing period. Pause your subscription keeps your data, pauses charges. Update your payment method. Download past invoices. Demo note, this is a UI/UX prototype. Clicking a plan button in the billing page lift switches your tier for the rest of the session so you can see how gating behaves. In production it would run a real payment flow. Next up. Profile and smart card. Edit your artist identity in your public DSC.
Sweet. Good. So we do our separator. And so I got to go through this entire website with all these tabs to make sure that it's correct for what we want to do to what Steve Pena wants to do, because it's his baby, his brainchild. And I didn't show you guys how we came up with it, but it was intense. But now we have the right guy building it, but we have to go through it to make sure it is exactly what we envision so that we can launch it. And we got to do it quickly because we have so many things that are coming together in this puzzle. We visually seen the puzzle. Now we got to put the pieces together to get it all to function, because we have 20 countries that's waiting on us. Hopefully this helps you, Alex, to help me.